today I'm gonna have my sister help me dye my hair. Pretty much she's gonna be doing all the work, so. Say hi, Allie. Yeah.
So we're gonna be bleaching my hair, then we're gonna just put toner, and then we're gonna be dyeing it turquoise. But what we're using to bleach my hair is this lightning kit.
Oof, that's
Okay, well we're gonna get started. I'm gonna have her show what she's doing. I told her I want it to be about like 2 inches away from my roots. So kind of how it is right now. It's just like yeah, with like the medium brown.
Everybody's climbing, trying to get to the shore.
So we moved on to the second layer already. We have the first one did. It's already lightening it a lot, dude. So we have almost my whole head. We're leaving about 2 inches.
Life is money,
It's all stiff.
and you're just
Dude,
a
my hair's gonna be dead, dude. We have this
Don't
toner.
take it personal.
Then we have the developer for the toner.
I'm talking
And then we
about
got
me
the bowl
too.
to mix it in. I think it's gonna fade pretty good. So what I had my sister do was we used like the brush and we just used like the excess dye and we just brush the tips up here so it'll fade nicely up into my roots. But I still want part of my roots showing so I don't have to like touch anything later on.
That's crazy. We're different colors. And we're full sisters. How do people tell? Our cheeks, our lips, our shape. We both have this thing, kind of. Yeah. Do you have chin dimples? No, I don't think so. Oh yeah, but one of the things me and my sister bought, we both bought one for ourselves just to cleanse our face. And then have a back that has it. Is that sparkles? No, I have sparkles in my dress.
So I'm gonna hop in the shower in a couple minutes. It's like 9 or it's 6:25 right now. So I'm gonna hop in the shower at 6:30. So I have my hair bleached. It looks kind of like this. It just fades into it. We're gonna blow dry my hair and then we're gonna put my toner in so it's less orange.
Sugar sweet kiss, skin soft and smooth. I'm talking about
So this is what my hair looks like right now. We're about to put some toner in a second.
money. I'm talking about money. Everybody's driving all the way to nowhere. No time left, we're dying. And then they might care.
She looks so scared. What the heck? Oh, this is looking nice.
Can't take it personal. I'm talking about me too. What else?
Are you gonna take another shower? Oh crap!
background music in French.
Like, we're like, what the heck, really? You really know the background music?
But I gotta admit, it feels so good.
So I have my hair dried for the most part. This is the finishing.
That's, you should leave it like that. 'Cause I really want to see blue in you. Oh my god.
This looks so pretty though. Oh my god.
Like your eyes.
All quiet.
Skin soft and smooth.
I think about all the time. Think you made me all mine. Hate to say, you know that love is blind.
Your poor ears are gonna be all green.
I'm talking about money. I'm talking about money. You know you like it too.
Look at your eyes. Ew, this looks like a condom or something.
Well, we've almost come to the end of our video. All I have to do is wait about 30 or so minutes for this to sit in my hair. This is the first time ever that I've ever like colored my hair like an unnatural color, I guess, for hair.
Like it too.
Holy crap, that's pretty! Look at that!
We did good, dude. They didn't even see that either. I didn't even smear my hand. It like just shot.
Why would you do it again?
I don't know.
So I got this at Ulta a while ago just because I had lightened my hair before. It smells like Fruity Pebbles, which I really like, but it's supposed to help with like distressed hair. So you just put it in after it's wet, and then it also helps with like heat and
So this is the finished look. Not disappointed. Turning down the music. But there are some parts that look like I might have washed it too hard in the shower. So I like really scrubbed it out because it looks a little like faded at this part. But in person it doesn't look too bad. Once it fades, I think I'm gonna dye it purple, like a lighter purple.
You think about it, my hair used to be longer than yours, so if I never would have cut it, it would have been so long right now.
True, very true.
Ew.
Yeah.
Dude, that looks so cool. You can see the like streaks. Got all blurry. Looks like you got like a little braid or something right there. Oh my god, there's
Then this little dyed Just it goes from like dark brown to freaking green. That's funny. Let's see what it looks like. This way. What?
yeah, it's just like differently like.
Oh, like it
Or I guess
starts
if you
out
like
right
put like
here.
something right there. Just
Like this part goes higher up in green, and this side starts out kind of lower. Just because we dyed it with it split down the middle. I really like it, dude. It's so different.
like I thought it wasn't gonna match your skin tone, but
I
like it
know.
matches. Like you can actually pull that off. You're like, what if I don't pull it off?
I was all worried, dude. But thank you guys for watching, and thanks to my sister for helping me out through like this whole video and the whole process. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And my Instagram link and my Snapchat is gonna be in the description. I'll also put my sister's, I guess. But anyways, have a good rest of the week.
Hey, what is this thing?
That's honey. She was so confused. But I'll upload this sometime in the following week because I still have to upload my other video too. But